so if your 2 pieces, the pom-pom maker, put them together. Okay, then you've got 2 pieces there, 2 pieces there. So open it out and make sure that these pieces sit together. And then you're going to simply start winding. You're going to go on the outside bit first. You're going to start winding your wool around here. Okay, so you'll get into a rhythm. Make sure that you don't get any wool on either of these 2 bits here. Now, once you've filled it up as much as you can, because the thicker you do it, the more dense and fluffy your pom-pom is, which is what you want. Now, you can do 2 things now. You can either cut it off there and finish that one and then go to that one, or you can do this. You can take your yarn onto here, so go through there and then close that bit, okay, and then just go through and start onto the next one. Make sure they're lined up again. So it's actually really therapeutic doing this. You get into like a bit of a flow. Okay, so nearly finished. Let's just do a little bit more. Make sure it's the same thickness all the way around as well. Don't have one bit thicker than the other. All right, I think that's looking good. So I'm going to bring that thread there. This is going to be cut off now. So close it, cut that thread off. Okay, now that's closed securely. You can see they look the same. And then what you're going to do is put your scissors in and cut all the way. So you need a really sharp pair of scissors here. This is really nice and therapeutic. Ooh, doesn't that look nice? Keep it closed. This is going to look very thick. Make sure you cut that piece there. That was the one that went across. Okay, if there's any bits at the end that stick out, they can just be cut off. So can you see that there's nothing left there now? No thread. And then go through onto the next bit. Do the same. Ooh, it looks good. There we go. So now I'm going to put a piece of the thread, of the wool, sorry, all the way around here. And this is what's going to keep it together. So you'll go inside. There we go. It needs to sit inside. And then what you're going to do is tie a knot. So pull it as tight as you can. Tie the knot really straight. Sorry, really tight, not really straight. And then tie it again, just to make sure. Okay. And then I'm going to open it up. 1. Ooh, 2. And then the other side. Open that off. Take that off. And then this just comes apart. Oh. That is lovely. Oh, it's so soft. Now what you can do if you want to is, can you see you've got a couple of little bits that are a little bit longer? You can just give it a little bit of a trim. You don't have to, but you can. Just to tidy it up a little bit. A little bit of a haircut. And then these bits at the end, you can use these to tie it to something, or if you want to, you can cut them off. So you've just got the pom-pom. Okay, but they're really handy to tie onto something. That looks lovely. Really nice.